Hey everybody, Nick Lamonaco here from SixFive Audio. SixFive Audio is a brand new line in the home audio world, but we're not new to the audio market. So SixFive Audio is a sister company to Memphis Audio, which is a car audio brand that started back in 1965. So we've been in the audio game for a while. We're a bunch of audio enthusiasts. We have some really cool ideas for home and outdoor audio. So we thought, I think it's time for us to work our way into the home audio world. And last year we launched SixFive Audio. So this is our second year at CEDIA. We got a product in stock now. We got some really awesome patented product, and that really awesome patented product is something I want to show you guys today. So let's take a look at it. All right, so this newest patented product that we're showing you today, this is, we're just launching it at CEDIA. So this is the first time it's out here in the public. This is our Fusion Landscape audio system with LED pathway lighting built in. So look in here, you have two speakers that fire up, give you 360 surround. Part of our patent is the two-way sound direction, so sound does go up and also comes out the bottom. So you're gonna get engrossed in sound with one speaker source. And then of course it has pathway lighting. So this could be in your backyard or lighting up a planter. So LEDs built in, you can hook that up to any transformer, any existing lighting system, or we have a transformer that you can hook up with. It works with any home automation, any Alexa, anything like that. Super simple to hook up to our lighting, our transformer to light these up. But this is the first lighting and speaker built in where it's pathway lighting and 360 surround. So no one else is doing that to where the sound actually comes up to where humans are and our ears are up here. There are some lighting that have speakers that go side to side, but obviously I don't lay on the ground all the time on the backyard, so that's why these are great. Sound quality is awesome. As I mentioned before, we've been in audio for over 50 years, so we want to make things sound good. These are high impedance, so you can hook up to 8 speakers and 1 subwoofer to our amplifier. Really easy to run all the wire, just run it in parallel to the amp. Very simple setup, but gives you awesome sound, fills up your backyard nicely. I always say that it could be like rear fill, and if you got a giant backyard, this would be the rear fill, and then you can put some cabinet speakers on the back of your house and have sound everywhere, in addition to lighting up your pathway or your garden or whatever you want. And I think they look pretty singing good too, so check them out. Our second category of products is our in-ceiling and subwoofers. So we have 2 series, our V series, which is what I'm holding here. This is actually our stereo, so this would be mixed mono, stereo mono in 1 speaker. We also have 6.5, 8-inch, and 6.5 angled in our in-ceiling, and then of course a rectangular dual 6.5 LCR. Our V series features silk dome tweeter, attenuated tweeter and mid switches up here. Nice looking tweeter bridge. And all of our speakers include our turbo mount technology, which makes it super easy to mount into the ceiling. 4 switches and it's locked in, no tools necessary. Just takes a screwdriver and a quarter turn to get it out. Super awesome. And then in our M series, our series below, we have a 6.5, 8-inch and an LCR. More of a basic in-ceiling speaker, but still sounds really, really good. So definitely give our speakers a look, the M series and V series by SixFive Audio. In addition to our in-ceiling speakers, we also have 2 series of subwoofer. So we have the V series, which is our high end, which is a sealed 1,000 watt 8 and 10-inch sub. And then we have our M series, which is our lower level series, 300 RMS with a 10 and 12-inch, and that is a ported subwoofer enclosure, so a little bit bigger. But in addition to that, the M series features a blue LED where the cone of the sub and lights up the floor underneath, which is pretty cool. You can turn it off. I don't know why you'd want to, because it looks awesome. But just a little cool feature that we added to the M series. But both of these subwoofer lines really, really put out some bass, so give them a listen.